Hi, everyone. Welcome to this episode of MedTech Minis. Today we have with us Chelsea Luxon, the CEO and co-founder of ParaNano Wound Care. Thank you so much for being with us today. I am so excited about this product. So we're going to jump right in. Tell me a little bit about yourself and the problem that you set out to solve.
Sure. Hi, Susie. Thanks for having me. I'm so excited to be here. So Medicare spends $96.8 billion a year on wound care, and this is driven largely because wounds are getting infected. So why are infections so expensive? Well, we identified that there's a gap in the industry. When a patient goes home, there's no way to continuously monitor the wound for rising bacterial load leading to infection. Specifically, there's no way to look at a wound and know at that critical moment when we've crossed a critical threshold indicating early infection, and that intervention can take place.
That is so crazy to me that the spend is so high. Tell me a little bit about your solution and how you guys are addressing this.
Yeah, of course. So my company, ParaNano Wound Care, is developing the Smart Bandage, the Bio-z Smart Bandage. And it is a nanofiber membrane that goes directly on top of a wound. It's flexible, wearable, and it's infrastructure free in that there's no wires, batteries, or device. It is simply just this membrane. And it provides continuous wound monitoring, so both patients and clinicians of any skill level can detect infection in any setting. And it does this by changing color. So it's yellow now, and it changes from yellow to green in response to that rising bacterial load, indicating early infection.
That is so awesome. And I know that you guys have it in bandages, but you can use it on all types of applications, correct? Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so this is actually a platform technology in that we use unique biomarkers secreted by pathogenic bacteria and some fungal strains, lipase. And so as we are going forward and commercializing this product here, we also have the ability to commercialize different vertical applications, same exact product, just different applications that detect lipase. So thinking about, IV sites, which are wounds as well, maybe not chronic, but are also wounds, potentially UTI infections and things like that.
That is so awesome. I am so excited to see this on the market. So speaking of that, where are you guys in your commercialization journey? Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So we're about 9 to 12 months away from our first limited launch into some privately held nursing homes for post-market clinical trials and like a paid pilot situation and human factors and things like that. So that means that from now to 12 months from now, we're going to be working on manufacturing validation, sterility, biocompatibility, self-registering with the FDA. And then we do have a first customer on board, like I said, with 18 privately held nursing homes. And then on the back end, he has committed to 250,000 units in our first official full launch year, which is really exciting.
That is huge, especially for a company that's where you guys are in your commercialization journey. And I've seen you guys present before and how excited people get about this. So I'm just so thrilled. And I really, as a person who had a family member that had suffered from diabetic foot ulcers, I know that market alone is one that needs this product. So I'm excited to see you guys get out there in the market. What else would you like people to know about you and what you're doing?
Sure. So I really just like to leave a little blurb about smart wound care. It is the way of the future. This is exactly where the industry is going. And we are positioned to be the first and easiest smart wound care product on the market. And so we are ahead of the curve, and we are so excited to be here. Like I said, 12 months to our first limited launch. And it's been such a joy to solve a problem for such an enormous industry. Like you said, people are suffering. And so let's get this into the hands of patients and providers as quickly as possible.
I love it. I love it. How do people get a hold of you?
Sure. So reach out on LinkedIn, email, can call my cell phone. I'm not hiding, and we would love to talk to anyone and everyone who has experience in the wound care space or, can help us reach our goals of commercialization.
This is fantastic. Thank you so much for being here today. I will make sure that at the end of this video, there's information about how they can get in touch with you. But reach out to Chelsea because she's awesome and a female-founded business. Gotta love it.
Indeed.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.